done the first window surround. Looks pretty good. I'm going to put a little cap along the top of each window just to make sure, because this reveal on this one, the stud inside, I don't know if you remember from the last video, was a little bit gappy, so I'm going to put a tiny little apron, probably some of this 100mm stuff along the top edge. Same on that one, and then same on the other side. But apart from that, I'm really happy with the way that looks. Probably get like a wire brush or something and take off this paint that they put on in the yards, and then or not, I don't know. I want to keep the rafters showing, but I don't want this chipboard showing, the OSB, so I'll have to get rid of that. But yeah, I'm pleased we went with this oak now. It's starting to really grow on me now it's going up, and hopefully it won't take too long to do the rest. But I'm going to go and have some Domino's pizza, leftovers from last night, and I'll be back out to finish. Had my Domino's, you've seen the time lapse, done it all. Left this bit off because we've got a different kind of cladding going on this side, and I don't want to do that and commit to fitting it until I know exactly what to do on that edge there. All the little scribes are done. Don't have to be perfect because, like I said, I want it to look like a forest cabin, like log cabin style, and I'm not too fussed about those things on these, because if it was dead tight that would end up splitting anyway when it shrunk, because this is all soaking wet, it's all green oak. We don't want it to do that. So the next bit for me to do is this section here, so I'm going to counterbatten that now and then make a start on that and see how far we get before the sun runs out. phone batteries died, so you didn't see some of that, I don't think. But the bottom was stepped with a 45, and the top was cut round that with a 45. It's basically the opposite of this piece, and yeah, fitted nicely. I've just tucked the Tyvek in underneath the back up there, and obviously we've got a little gap to skip over there, but it's time to crack on. I'm going to do another couple of bits and then pack up, because the sun is starting to go down now. $2,105. Use a wide bit, eh? 2,105. Or is it? This is a 150. Got there. So this will be the last bit. But what a day! It's made a massive difference. The rain, it started, look, I'm not lying. Even though it's undercover in here, I've pretty much worked all day, and it's Saturday, and I worked all day yesterday doing insulation, so I'm gonna give myself a break. But you can see on here how wicked that looks, all the different colours, all the sapwood and stuff. I'm not one of these it's got to be grade A and no knots. I want it full of character. I want it to look like it come off a tree, which it did. Started doing the porch section, which looks decent, and then trimmed up to the edge here, and then I'm going to put a piece on its edge to finish off around the reveal of the door frame all the way around, and that's it. But apart from that, today is over, as is this video, and we will return next time I get 5 minutes. See you later.